Okay. Good morning, friends. This is a series that we are starting to review the performance of IM7 between 9 to 9:15. Just the day starts. We'll see how the results are, right? So this is a disclaimer. This indicator is created purely based on technical skills and Pine scripting. So this is educational use only, not a financial advice. You need to thoroughly backtest and consult your advisor before making any decision. Okay. Um, so why we have selected these stocks alone, right? Which we are going to review every day for next 20 days. Basically, we have started with BML, IREDA, Maruti, and HAL, right? So when we tested the back tested results for last 1 year, this is 1 year of data actually. You can see I just highlighted, and back tested date was on 23rd October. So Maruti gave like 38,000 on 202 trades. BML gave 21,000 on 54 trades. IREDA gave 52,000 on 100 trades, like 105. HL gave 39,000 on 129 trades. So these are impressive numbers as per the back tested results. So we want to test, forward testing for next 20, 10 to 20 trades, how the performance will be. Okay. So it's a quick review every day between 9 to 9:15. So let's start without any delay. So BML, so this review is for the previous day, right? Because we are starting around 9 to 9:15. So the review is for the previous day always. So today is the first day in the series. Um, and these results are for 27th October, right? So BML gave a signal around 12:55. You can see the highlighted candle here, right? That was the entry zone for a short trade, um, and it ended flat. That means it did not actually hit a target or stop loss. So that is not shown here in this PNL table. This is for previous trade, because if any trade does not hit a stop loss or a target, it will wait for next day reset to show that here. So the PNL is slightly positive here, but that is not shown in here. It will show after 9:15, after the day resets. Okay, let's go with IREDA. Great. So we got a signal even in IREDA around 12:10. That was a buy signal actually. You see there is a green dot which says it's a buy signal, long signal basically. But it hit the stop loss. Okay, so you can see. Okay, let me take down the volume. My volume is not needed. Yeah. So you can see I'm just highlighting the 12:10 candle, and you see the closing of that candle 155.70. Here you can see that 150.70 entry, long entry, exit, exactly this one, right? 153.98. That was the stop loss. The same will be shown here also. Okay, so whatever is shown here and whatever is shown in the upper right corner matrix, that will be reflected in the PNL table. So we know we are taking risk of 2,000 per trade, right? And the capital required is approximately 1 lakh for intraday, including margin. So margin is given by broker. So that is not added here. It actually excluding margin. We need to have 1 lakh in our account to trade one particular stock. Okay. So this is a stop loss day. That is the reason we are seeing here minus 2,000. Fair enough, right? So we got a trade Here stop loss is marked, target is marked, we hit the stop loss, we booked minus 2000 loss. How many quantity we need to take, how to set the stop loss points or values, everything is shown here. Fair enough. Let's move to next stock. Maruti also has given entry. That was a short entry. You can see the red mark here, like short. And this is a downside entry here, around 115. On 115 candle, you can track the values exactly whatever you are seeing here and whatever you are seeing here. Okay, the day has been reset, so here it is not showing, but we know. So it was also a stop loss. Day resets because it's 9:15, right? The time after 9:15 the day is reset. So this was a stop loss trade as well. That is the reason we are seeing minus 2000 as approximately its slippage, minus 2000 as the PNL. Okay, so this was also stop loss yesterday. HAL, there was no trade. Even the candles becomes blue, it is not valid until unless we see something like blue, um, yeah, blue line and red or a green circle. Okay, that is only valid. Okay, so this is a simple review on yesterday's performance. um, let's see, this is just a first day completed, so we'll continue like this for another 10 trades for these four on these four stocks, and we'll see how we performed well. So, the accumulated PNL for today is like two trades in loss and one is flat. Let's go with BML. It should show now the, yeah, you see BML. As I said, after the day is reset, the more short entry profit is started showing. Okay, this is a flat positive. It didn't hit target, it didn't hit stop loss. So 472 rupees is the profit. So overall, like minus 2000, minus 2000, and roughly 500 profit. So like minus 3500 is loss for today out of these four stocks. We will continue this kind of review for another 10-15 days. We'll see how it goes. Okay, thank you guys, thanks for watching. Have a good day in the market today. Bye.